Hello everyone. Hi, this is David, and this video is trying to give some practice to a beginner who just start a PHP learning in the college because I am also a beginner who just received the study materials a couple of days before this video is made. And after I'm doing these questions, and I feel that okay, I know every rules of the PHP, but why I'm not doing this question right? And so today I'm going to walk through the questions again with you guys and see if uh, my method helps you to uh, do the practice. And yeah, I am also a beginner, so if there's anything doing wrong, and you may put it in the comment side of the YouTube videos. And yeah, let's take a look of the question one first. Okay, um, let's see. Write a PHP script that lists out all the even numbers between two variables. Okay, use a UL list. Okay, my HTML class was like 2 semesters before, so I have already forgotten anything about HTML as well. Um, let's do something we know it first. Okay, um, let's go for let's because in my in my classes the solution is attaching with the questions. So when I receive the questions, that means I can take a look of the solution as well. But first, don't read the code. We try to take a look what they are expecting us to do. Okay. Yeah. So it's like 2, 4, 6, 8. So these are all even numbers and list out in a UL. But I forgot how to do this UL. So, okay, let's take a look how it's done. Shame, man. Yeah, I've got it. So in this case, the PHP is locating inside the UL, I guess, because we are filling in the 2, 4, 6, 8 like this inside inside the li brackets. So we print out a lot of code. Start with an li brackets. So we do something we know first. Okay, so um, let's open a web page, PHP web page form. Okay, and this is what we call a UL. Let's say, okay. Let's start here. So we write something we know. Okay, let's say a title. Okay, and UL. I know it here. Ah, nice. And then I put my PHP in between them. Ah, right. So, uh, let's suppose I do not know all these things. I need something like this. So I put it here. So how to generate the code like this, and a lot of them, like a lot of them. Okay, so I think we need a for loop. For loop, that is what I sure. Okay, let's I equals 0. Oh, we cannot use it like this. Okay, oh yeah, I is a variable. In PHP, the variable should be start with a dollar sign. Okay, and yeah, we use semicolon to segregate the between these different fields here instead of comma. And I forgot something. I should read the question again. Say like list out all the even numbers between two variables. I forgot to set up two variables. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, so two variables is like, let's say name it as start, and I want it like 0. Start with 0, and maybe there's an and. Let's add it with 100. Okay, so yeah, I can put my start here. Yep, and at 0, and at the and sign. Okay, and I think we cannot add like we can't do I plus plus here because it's even number, so we need to like +2. Okay, curly brackets. Okay, so we don't need this, but we need to keep producing a line of code in this way. Okay. Okay, so in between them, I need an I, and I need to print it out, so I use an echo code. Okay, so this is a string. So in here, if you put a double quotes here, it knows that the I is a variable. They know it, they're smart. So we put a double quote here. But if we put a single quote, no, then they cannot detect it. So we need a double quote here. I'm not sure if this is right, but let's run it first. Check later. Okay, what's going on? Okay, use of undefined constant. Let's check it out. What looks wrong here? Okay, oh yeah, we've got an equal sign here, should be. Let's try. Okay, yeah, because the IDE sometimes got some problem too, so we run twice. See? Oh, yeah, I forgot to put a dollar sign here. Yep, so it would be right now, I guess. Hey, yeah, I've got it. So, okay, we can start to take a look of the second questions right afterwards. Okay, go back to here, read the second questions. Okay, put 5 dice on the web page. Okay, 6 sides each, so it's a standard dice. Okay, and make it fancy. Each die row should be in a separate HTML elements. Okay, hints, use the div box. Okay, I forgot what is it again. And include some CSS in an internal or external. Yeah, I think I know what a CSS is. And Each die should be in a separate HTML elements. Okay, there is a problem again, and I do not know what kind of dies they want me to implement. Just like something like this one, or I simply need to do it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. If that is the case, if this is the case, I just simply need to like uh, print the number out, and then I know how to do the CSS later, right? So in this case, we need to check the answer first. Okay. We go back to the IDE. That's the second questions here. Okay. Close your eyes and don't look at the code. You run it. Okay. Oh, I see. It looks like this. Okay, 2, 4, 5. Okay, turn this off first. So we know that we simply need to like put the numbers like this. Okay, and yeah, and then do the CSS later. So we may do the numbers print out first. So again, I do not know how to make a random number. Okay, because in here it says like die should be doing this way, and random number function in PHP. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, we know how to do it. Okay, so we try in the first target, we try to make a random number before the targets. So we again establish another file, web page dies. Okay, in this case let's see, put it here first. Okay, echo, and nope, that is not that big. A standard die should be somewhere between 1 to 6. So let's check, are we doing it right? Yeah, here we go, we got a 6 on the top left corner. And okay, we just need a for loop to bring it on. Okay, I think we can do it this way. Copy it. Okay, I equals to 0, and there is 5 dies. Okay, so less than 5. Plus plus is okay. Okay, we need a curly brackets and put this in. Okay, let's check the results. Okay, we have 5 dice here, 6, 2, 6, 5, 4. Okay, and now we get this right, so it's time to do the CSS. Okay, the HTML part is the rest bit. Title, let's call it dice. Okay, I forgot how to do a CSS, man. Oh yeah, here we go. How to make a CSS. Okay. Okay, we just need to put it in the single sheets. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, we keep it here first and do it. Put the text on. It's called style. Okay, and oh, it's smart, man. Okay, so it looks like a plain number, so at least we want to make it bigger, I guess. But how is it like? Oh, we need to we take a look at the question, say like use a div. Okay, we need to make it like a div, so I think we need to do it like div, I guess. Class equal oh, here's the problem again. Yeah, you take a look. If we put a class like this, is called, let's say we call it class. Okay, we call it class dice. Can we do it like this? No, we cannot do it like this because they are using the double quotes as well. So let's change it to single quotes. Okay, and we need a dot. And remember, if there is like a sling, is sorry, it's like if there's a text here, okay, we have to use a dot to concatenate with to connect with the number behind it. Okay, if there is a string, then we have to do it in a dot. If this part is a if the front part is a number, we can use a plus to concatenate. Okay, so we need to close the brackets too. Div. Okay, hopefully I am doing it right. Let's try. Okay, am I correct? Yeah, the code showing like this, the div class. Okay, so yes, we can take a look of the let's see here. Okay, we need something like this, so we copy the format. Okay, but this is not a body, this is a class. I think the class looks like CSS class in W3. Let's check. Ah, there's a dot. Yeah, there's a dot in front of this. Dot. My name is called Dice. Okay, it's called Dice here. So I think we need a background color. Let's say light blue. Okay, I like it. And we don't want to make each dice like have a font which is bigger one. I think font size would be like 20. Okay, and What's a dice look like? Let's do it this way. Let's make it out first. Oops, what's happening? Oh yeah, we forgot to oh, because each one are occupying all the space. Okay, so we better stack it up. Stack it up with okay. Okay, line on the same row in HTML. Okay, let's see. Okay, they use a floats. Okay, they use a floats. Left. Anyway, let's try. Are they doing the same? Ah, here we go. Let's try stacking up, following each other's, and okay. But we do not know. It doesn't look like a dice, so they must have a border, I guess. A border like two. Oh, sorry, I forgot how to do it again. Ah, good, good, good. They have all the descriptions here, so I can copy it. Ha ha ha. Like this. Here we go. We have the color, border, margin. Okay, let's give a try. Run it. Oh, nice. Yeah, we have the margin, we have things. It looks like, I think it looks pretty much like the answer, I guess. Okay, we'll run the answer and let's see if they are identical. Yeah, pretty much like this. So yeah, we don't have to be perfect. And let's try the third question. Okay, so the first question is again using the question 2 resources to build it on top. And if I wrote the number one side, okay, it doesn't look like a number one. Oh, but no, I cannot type it. Number on the dice are shown in red, and otherwise the others are green. Oh, that's why it looks like this. Okay. Yeah, if this is 1, it showed like a red. It showed the number shown in red. Otherwise, it's shown in green. So how to do it? Create 2 classes. Okay, we can. So if this is red, we do it like this. We do it like 3. If this else, this. Okay, we draw it like if. Sorry, I forgot it. Let's copy it. Okay. For, oh no, I need a if. Okay, if statement. If the I equal to 0 to 1. Oh, no, we do not. If the rand equal to 1, but we need something to hold it, so we need to do it like this. We need a variable to hold the rand, which is called the number. Let's say equal this, and if the number is equal to 1, then div cost equals to red. Okay, and rand, we do not need a rand here again. We have it up there already in a variable called num. Okay, and else we do it like normal times. We do it like this. Okay, so when it is red, we have a special treatment to her. Okay, so we need a red class. And you remember that I do remember that if yeah, we can do it this way. We can copy all the things like this here, do it in red. Can we? Okay, I think I pressed the wrong button, so dice.php, run it again. Yeah, we've got it, red one here, but wait, what's the problem with this one? Okay, let's take a look at the code. Okay, suppose I don't know what's happening, so I take a look at the I'm done. I take a look at the solutions. All right. Oh, they are not doing it the same way. You see, they use a div class and red class. Okay. So yeah, let's try change it this way. Let's copy it. See if it works. Run it again. It seems work. Nope, it's not working. Let's change it to what's happening here. Dice equal 1 to 6. Yeah, I'm doing this way. They define the class. Okay. Anyway, I cannot read this. I cannot explain this. But yeah, we pretty much do the same thing as them. So let's not bother it. And yeah, maybe you can ask your own teachers. And today we come to finish for all these 3 questions. And let's see, if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments part underneath your YouTube. Thanks today, and have a nice day. Bye bye.